Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you may be joining us from. My name is Amos Laar. I am a tenure track academic at the University of Ghana, School of Public Health in Accra. I coordinate the Meals for Ncds project. I'm happy and honored to welcome all of you to this year's FERN meeting, and I'm doing this on behalf of the FERN partners. As you may be aware, the 3-day meeting is co-organized by the Meals for Ncds project and Informas in partnership with 8 other entities and our project, to whom I would like to, from the onset, express our gratitude. And so the partners for FERN 2021 are the Meals for Ncds project. This project is providing food environment-related measurement, evaluation, accountability, and leadership support to food system stakeholders and actors in Ghana with the aim of preventing non-communicable diseases. Informas is a global network of public interest organizations and researchers, and their aim, among others, is to monitor, to benchmark, and support public and private sector actions to increase healthy food environment and reduce obesity. The Meals for Ncds project is coordinated by a team based in Ghana. Informas is coordinated by a team in New Zealand. Our third partner is the UNESCO Chair in World Food Systems, and it aims to bridge a gap between food science disciplines and provide support currently to stakeholders to deliver more sustainable food systems. It is based in France. RAPSAO is a network similar to FERN, a platform of stakeholders, including researchers, public policy makers, and community actors that aims to develop research action on healthy food environment and policy in Francophone Africa. It is being led by a team of researchers based in Senegal. Our fifth partner is the Drivers of Food Choice program. This program generates, synthesizes, and disseminates knowledge to provide a deep understanding of the drivers of food choice among the poor in South Asia and Sub-Saharan Africa. The program is coordinated by a team of researchers at the University of South Carolina in the US. The food crisis for nutrition is FERN's partner also. This project is at Tufts University in the USA and is implemented with the World Bank and IFRI. The project supports computation of diet cost and affordability metrics, such as those that are used in the UN SOFIC report. You may have heard of the statistics that about 3 billion people currently are unable to afford a healthy diet globally. So this is a team that is behind these related statistics. CDIA, the Chronic Disease Initiative for Africa, is a network of multidisciplinary researchers from University of Cape Coast, University of Cape Town, the Stellenbosch University in South Africa, University of Western Cape, and the South African Medical Research Council. They also engage policymakers from the Department of Health in South Africa. These centers serve as a regional hub for developing and evaluating models of chronic disease care and prevention. Our eighth partner is the Aggregate Nutrition and Health Academy. It is a global community of interdisciplinary researchers, practitioners, and policymakers working in agriculture and food systems for improved nutrition. The coordinators of the ANH Academy is based, and the coordinators are based in the UK. Last but not least, the African Population and Health Research Center. It is a leading Africa-based, Africa-led international research institution headquartered in Nairobi, Kenya. This center is contributing to the body of evidence about critical issues in Africa's population health and well-being that is impeding Africa's development. You would agree with me that partners like these are needed or are important if we have to realize the goals of FERN, which among others are to connect researchers and practitioners whose work relates directly or indirectly to food environment, and to leverage such networks, research, practice, and policy towards improving food environment in Africa. Yes, Africa needs its food environment to improve. Africa needs policies, and those policies must be designed to create supportive food environment for healthy food choices for everyone. We have recently argued that if government, African government, promulgate and implement food environment policies to make unhealthy food attractive and affordable, their production, their processing, their promotion will be reduced, leading to reduced availability and consumption of this food. And the essence of policies like this was articulated in a message by the current Director General of the World Health Organization. He did say, and I quote, that if we are to win the war against premature death caused by non-communicable diseases, particularly diet-related non-communicable diseases, we must also win the battles in our kitchens, in our supermarkets, in our restaurants, in our schools, and that we must make it easier for people to make healthy choices and harder to make unhealthy choices. And this essentially is about improving our food environment. This is about food environment policies. And so such policies are important. They ought to be promulgated and implemented. However, Africa faces a very unique challenge, battling malnutrition in all its forms, as well as several economic challenges. Any efforts to implement these policies must recognize these peculiar heterogeneity of the African food environment and its variegated political economies. And that is why we are happy and hope that a meeting like this will help us unpack these challenges and issues. In closing, I would like to express our gratitude to Canada's International Development Center, IDRC, for the financial support they have given us. The Meals for NCDs project, as well as the Informal Symposium series, is generously supported by IDRC. Let me take this opportunity to also let you know their interpretation translation services. And so those who need it can use that. There's a globe button at the bottom of the Zoom platform. And so you click on it and choose the language. We are able to provide English to French and then French to English translation. The UNESCO chair in World Food Systems generously provided funds to support these translation services, and we are grateful to them as well. And so once again, thank you for your interest in FERN, and do receive my wishes for a very productive meeting. Thank you, and over to my qualifier, Phyllis, to take us through the next phase of the program.